What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with databases. SQL allows you to create, read, update, and delete data in a database. What is a primary key? A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a table. It ensures that no two rows have the same value in that column, which helps maintain data integrity. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is a column or a set of columns in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. It creates a relationship between the two tables. What is normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves dividing a database into tables and defining relationships between them. What is a SQL injection? A SQL injection is a type of security vulnerability that allows an attacker to interfere with the queries that an application makes to its database. It can allow attackers to view data they are not supposed to access. What is a SQL view? A view is a virtual table in SQL that is based on the result of a select query. It does not store data itself, but provides a way to simplify complex queries and present data in a specific format. What are indexes in SQL? An index is a database object that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a table. It works like an index in a book, allowing the database to find data quickly without scanning the entire table. What is a stored procedure? A stored procedure is a set of SQL statements that can be stored in the database and executed as a single unit. It allows for code reuse and can improve performance by reducing the amount of information sent between the application and the database. What is a transaction? A transaction is a sequence of one or more SQL operations that are executed as a single unit. Transactions ensure data integrity and consistency. They follow the ACID properties: atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. What is a trigger? A trigger is a special type of stored procedure that automatically runs when certain events occur in a database, such as inserting, updating, or deleting records. Triggers can be used to enforce business rules or maintain data integrity. What is a composite key? A composite key is a combination of two or more columns in a table that can uniquely identify a record. It is used when a single column is not sufficient to uniquely identify rows. What is a data warehouse? A data warehouse is a centralized repository that stores large volumes of structured and unstructured data from multiple sources. It is designed for query and analysis rather than transaction processing, making it suitable for business intelligence and reporting. What is a database schema? A database schema is the structure that defines the organization of data in a database. It includes the tables, fields, relationships, views, indexes, and other elements that make up the database.